Hi guys, happy Sunday. We are at the beach. We left super early this morning, well, as early as we could, but we're here. Me and Indy are hanging out. Daddy's surfing. Can you say hi? Indy. Hi love, what are you doing? It's a beautiful day. I thought it was gonna be cold and cloudy, but it's actually sunny and pretty warm. So yeah, it ended up being a really nice day. We came out here probably just till like the afternoon until Indy's nap time, and then we're gonna head back. And she'll probably nap in the car on the way home. And then Sundays we always go over to Matt's brother's house for Sunday dinner. That's our little tradition that we do. So that's about all we have planned today, but I figured I would vlog a little bit today and probably tomorrow do like a couple days in my life. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I had a sweatshirt on, now I'm just in a little crop top hanging out with Indy. Hey! Came to get some lunch. This looks so bomb. I got half of a salad and turkey sandwich. Got Indy some veggies and a turkey patty. Matt got a veggie burger. Sunday dinner.
Where did Indy go? Indy! Is your baby sleeping? Baby, night-night.
Good morning. It is Monday. I just made my smoothie. I had some coffee. Matt is actually off for majority of this week. He had a job in Beverly Hills that ended up getting pushed back. So he had really like no work scheduled because he was planning on doing this job. So he's gonna be home this week. We were gonna try to go camping and find a camping spot. We might still try, depending on if spots are available or not. Because he has the time off, we're gonna try to go because I don't think we have a trip planned for this month. So maybe we'll go camping this week. If not, then he's just gonna be around. I think he might be like picking up some side jobs and helping out some friends with some projects that they need, so we'll see. And I think he's going to shape some surfboards tomorrow out in Ventura. So it'll be nice to have him around and to have some help this week. He definitely is a big help when he's around, so love that for us. Okay, sorry, I had to feed Indy. She was getting a little bit fussy. Her back molars are just giving her a really hard time. They're poking through already, but you can tell that she's just really uncomfortable with like the remainder of the tooth trying to come through. But overall, she's been pretty good. So Matt just left. He's gonna help his friend build a desk for his new house. So when he comes back, I need to go out and run a few errands. It's the 3rd and I need to pay rent. I forgot that it was already May and that I need to pay rent. So today is the last day before you get charged with a late fee. So I'm gonna pay rent. I need to run to GNC and get some more of the Alani Nu balance powder because I ran out of that. I was taking that for about a month. I think I talked about it in the first vlog when I came back to YouTube, but it just helps like balance out your hormones. And I noticed I haven't taken it for probably the last 3 days and I've already noticed like a difference in my skin. Like I'm starting to get like hormonal breakouts on my chin. So that stuff is amazing. I'm gonna go pick up a new thing of that. And then I do have to go to Ulta and get another skincare product that I'm out of. And then I also have to go to Whole Foods and get some stuff that we need. Not sure if I'm gonna get all of this stuff done. Not sure if I'm gonna bring Indy or not. It's a lot easier, obviously, to go by myself. So I might leave her here, but it's also nice to get her out of the house. So I'm still undecided. We'll see what I'm feeling at the time. If I feel like going by myself, I'll just leave her with Matt. If I feel like taking her with me, then we're gonna brave it together. But as of now, that's the plan. I'm not sure if I'll get everything done today. If not, then we'll just space it out throughout the week. You say hi? Are you happy now? So yeah, we'll see what we accomplish today. That's about all I have to do. And then I have a Pilates class at 5:45. We're gonna try to be as productive as possible leading up until that, because once I get home from Pilates, it's like dinner time, bath time, bedtime routine, and just everything starts to go real fast. You guys know how it is. You gotta get as much done during the day as you can. Got laundry going right now. Gonna start cleaning up the house and just do the damn thing. Anyways, we're gonna get ready for the day. Obviously, I'm not gonna do much because I have Pilates later, but I am gonna do my hair. I'll probably just wave it because it's the easiest way to go. No makeup. I finally self-tanned. I feel 1,000 times better. I went way too long without a tan. I feel like as soon as I put it on, I just feel like myself again and confidence goes through the roof. We feel 10 times hotter. Love that. So we got a tan. We're gonna get ready. Let's go. I'm just gonna take her with me because Matt's still not home and it's around 11 o'clock and I wanna be able to get some stuff done before her nap time. So you wanna come with Mama? Okay, so we are getting ready to go. Hair is done. I'm just wearing this little tank top from Target. I have a bra in the car for some weird reason, but my bra is in the car. I'm gonna put that on. And then these little black sweat shorts are from Zara. And then these cutie little sandals are from Target. So we're ready to go. Okay, so I just got back home. I'm gonna do a little Sprouts haul for you guys. I needed some stuff for dinner. And then I also picked up the balance powder from GNC. This stuff is the bomb. So I got some chocolate chip cookies because duh, I always need something sweet in the house. I got this little nut mix. It's actually pretty good. I already dug into it on the car ride home. I got these tortillas from La Tortilla Factory. They looked pretty bomb. These grain-free tortilla chips. This salsa queen roasted tomatillo salsa. It looked really good. So I picked up that. I got some guac and then just some unsalted butter. We needed more. I got this nut pod oat creamer, the cinnamon swirl, because I'm trying to eliminate dairy as much as possible. So I heard these are really good. I got this Inner Eco, you got this. This is a probiotic coconut water. I believe you only take like a tablespoon of this, but I've been having like gut issues, so I'm trying all the things to help with that. I got some Brussels sprouts, some broccoli and asparagus, more bananas. I got some rice pilaf, garlic and herb. I got this 3 Trees organic unsweetened vanilla bean almond milk because they didn't have the Malk brand at Sprouts, but this was the next best thing. This only has 4 ingredients, 4 grams of protein, basically the same deal as the Malk almond milk. So that's really good, super clean ingredients. I got an onion, some bell pepper. I got this pollo asada seasoned chicken thigh for like chicken bowls, and some ground turkey for turkey bowls. And this is halibut. It looked so bomb, so I picked up 3 little steak things of halibut. I got this taco meat for some tacos with those tortillas I got. And then just some sausage, Italian sausage for like pasta or something. And then Matt really likes these little gummy things, whatever the hell they are. And then this is the best water, chef's kiss. So good. So that's it. That is everything. And that's all I was able to get done today. But I did run 3 errands, so productive. Now I'm gonna put Indy down for her nap. Okay, I ended up just making tacos for lunch. My mom made this red salsa. I'm watching YouTube, hold on. My mom made this red salsa. This is the one I just got from Sprouts. It looks stunning. And then the guac. Voila. Hi guys. Indy just woke up from her nap. Let's take shots. This is the Vive. I think it's Vive Organic Ginger. Shots, 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 shots. She's spicy. Look how handsome. Look at that beard. Alright y'all, it is time to go to Pilates. I'm just wearing these little, I think these are 5-inch shorts from Target. And then this little New Balance bra, it's really cute. I don't know if you guys can see. I got this at Marshall's. So this is the Pilates fit. And I have my cute toe socks. People hate these. Every time I post them on Instagram, they're like, what are those? But it's what you wear to Pilates, so let's go. Guys, there's a little nest with baby birds in there. I don't know.
Can you see them?
You can see.
Birdies!
They're so cute. Don't mind the little baby bum blasting in the background. It is 5:29. I have Pilates at 5:45. I'm dropping off Matt and Indy at the park. I've done this for 2 weeks in a row now, where I drop them off at the park around the same time as my class, and they just play for about an hour, and then I come back and pick them up, and she's always just exhausted and sleeps so good that night, so it works out really well for us to do that. So, and she has the best time. So Matt's inside grabbing himself a Red Bull right now, and then I'm gonna drop him off and hustle over to class.
Oh, yes. Okay.
are back home from Pilates. I picked up Matt and Indy from the park, and now I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some halibut in the oven. I'm just gonna bake it, and then I'm also gonna probably roast some broccoli and then just some brown rice. Simple, easy dinner. Should be ready in like 25 minutes, which is what we need because it's like 7:30 right now, and Indy goes to bed around like 8:30. So I'm gonna hustle and get this dinner started so we can eat. I'm also starving. I ate a protein bar on the way home because I was so hungry and it was in my car, so I just scarfed that down real quick. So let's get to making dinner, and then I'm probably gonna close out this vlog after that because I feel like I have so much footage that I just need to already condense to make a vlog for you guys. So hopefully this video isn't too long and you aren't too sick of me and you don't wanna kill me, and you still want to come back and watch some more. So let's go make some halibut. Okay, bye. Okay, so I have my halibut right here. This is just fresh from Sprouts. It's the citrus and lemon halibut. I got like 3 little steaks. I think I might have said that already in the grocery haul. Okay, so for the broccoli, I'm just gonna put some of this chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna add a little bit more avocado oil to it, and then just pepper and a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna throw them in the oven and roast them. Here is my halibut. I just sprayed it with a little bit more avocado oil and seasoned with just a tiny bit of salt and pepper, and it already had the seasoning on it. And then I also put some fresh lemon juice on top, and then I decided to just make this rice instead of brown rice. So self-explanatory, you already know. So this is gonna go in the oven for about like 15 minutes. All right, y'all, here's the finished result. So bomb. Indy's eating the same thing. Was that yummy? I just made her broccoli separate in the air fryer, obviously because ours had spice on it, so hers is just regular broccoli, same rice and same fish.
Hot.
Is that yummies? Good job.